black color, red color, yellow color, parrot green color, violet color, A. A for aeroplane. A. A for aeroplane. B. B for bubble. B for bubble. C. C for candy. C for candy. D. D for dry. D for dry. D. D for dry. E for eagle. E for eagle. E. E for eagle. E for eagle. F. F for fish. F for fish. F. F for fish. F for fish. G. G for girl. G for girl. G. G for girl. G. G for girl. H. H for hanger. S. H for hanger. H for hanger. I for ink. I for ink. A for aeroplane. B for bubble. C for carrot. D for dry. E for eagle. F for fish. F for fish. Z for for hanger. I for ink. J. J for junior. J. J for junior. K. K for kiwi. K for kiwi. K. K for kiwi. K for kiwi. L for lemon. L for lemon. L for lemon. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. O for orange. P for parrot. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece
Q
was
for
white as
queen.
snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went.
R
Everywhere that Mary went,
R
the
for
lamb was sure to
roach. R for
It followed her to school one day, school one
Road.
day, school one day. It followed her to school one
R
day, which was
for
against the rules. It
roach.
made the children laugh and play, laugh and
J
play,
for
laugh and play. It made the children
jacket.
laugh and
K
play to see a
for
lamb.
kiwi. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for
Lingered near
wheel. R for rose.
Patiently about and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
S for sweet.
Why does the lamb love
S
Mary
for
so?
sweet.
Mary so. Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cry.
S.
Why Mary
S
loves the
for
lamb,
sweet.
Lamb, you know why Mary loves the
S
lamb,
for
the
sweet.
teacher did reply. Mary had a
T.
little lamb, little lamb.
T
Mary
for
had a
tweet.
little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
T. T for tweet. U. U for up.
Humpty Dumpty
U
sat
for
on a wall.
up.
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the
U.
king's men
U for up.
together again.
U for up. U for up.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the
V.
king's horses and all the king's men
V for very. V. V for very. V. V for very. V. V for very. V for very.
sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
W.
All the king's horses and all the king's men could
W for
together.
well. W for well. W. W for well. W for well.
Hickory dickory dock. The
X.
clock ran up the clock. The clock struck
X for Zimania.
Hickory dickory
X.
dock. Tick tock, tick tock.
X for Gimania. X.
Hickory dickory dock. The bird looked at the clock. The clock struck
X
two.
for Gimania.
She flew. Hickory
X.
dickory dock.
X for Gimania.
Hickory
Y.
dickory dock. The dog barked at the clock.
Y for yak. Y. Y for yak. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z. Z for zigzag. Z. Z. Z for zigzag. Z. Z for zigzag. S. for tree. U for up. V for very. W for well.
The Muffin Man, the
X for Zimania. Y for yak.